This is step by step how to use webmail. Let's jump into my computer and I will take you from there. Step one, you need to know all the feature this webmail have. When you open your webmail, first thing I want to show you here is this plus button you are seeing here. When you click it, there is one more main important feature you need to use, especially when you are sending bulk email. First thing is BCC. Click it and click plus button again and click reply to. Reply to is where people will respond to you after they get your message on their inbox. When they try to respond to you, the message will redirect them to your main account you add on your reply to. So let's try to send message out. This point, your message can be on, or your email addresses can be on Notepad or wherever you keep it. Go get it ready now. So I have positioned my email on light extractor here. So I categorize it five pieces at a go. So what I need to do, go back to my webmail. Where I will paste this is on BCC that I choose on the time I click plus button. You see how I paste my email. Next, you need to add here is reply to. Go and get your private email account that you want to control your work. This is important to avoid losing clients. Your webmail can die, be blacklisted, but your private account is going nowhere because it's just to respond message. You're not using to send out. Paste it on reply to. Go back and take your body message. So highlight and copy all your body message back to your webmail. Paste it on body message. This webmail you can design HTML. If you want to use HTML, then click this icon here to paste your HTML. Like if you want button or clickable link, but if you want to add link on your message, just press it on your body message and it's going to turn to clickable link. Here you have attachment. This is where you can attach. You can add your attachment here or at this top here. And message signature as the top, and response you can also do follow-up, but that is going to be on tutorial lesson step by step. So this is just to show you all the important feature in case if you are sending bulk email. And when you're done, all you have to do is just click send and your message will send out. Okay, we forget to add our subject line. So this is my subject line here on the message. I even make mistakes, so I have to cut it, paste it on your subject line here, and you are good to go. Just click send and you automatically send message to these people. So if you want to know more about it, just purchase, and other videos are waiting for you on your download page. This is affordable. This is the webmail here on the solobranding.com. What we are seeing here is the webmail. When you open it, you're going to watch this video, or you can just go ahead and purchase. All right, let's talk about delivery. When you purchase on solobranding.com, webmail take 48 hours to be delivered. Meaning if you buy now, you have to wait 48 hours. Reason is because it's account, and when you purchase it, when they get your account ready, it's not really quality, it's not really strong to send message out. That's why they give it a day to process. So once they deliver it, it's good to go for you to send a message. Talking about the limit, you don't have a limit because it's a VPS and it's VPS mail, no limit on this. But it doesn't mean that if you abuse it, Google can blacklist your account or ban your account. This happens when you are sending message without verifying. So you need to also have email verification. We have everything on this website, solobranding.com. Go on and also get your email verification to make sure you delete bad email, invalid email, dirty email, fake email, making sure you send message to right people and your message will land in inbox. By the way, don't fear about spam because it's already tradition. All you have to do is get your message ready and start firing, and also write good message in order to get a reply when you send mass email.